When we think about money transfers, Venmo usually comes to mind for local US payments. But what if you need to send to Pakistan using Venmo international platform? Many people assume it's impossible, yet with the right steps, it can be managed securely and efficiently. Venmo itself does not directly support sending funds outside the United States. However, people who want to transfer money to Pakistan can explore indirect but legal ways. This includes linking Venmo with global money transfer partners, banking networks, and third-party apps that act as bridges. For example, services like Wise.com, Payoneer, Payoneer.com, and Remitly, Remitly.com, can be combined with US bank accounts linked to Venmo, allowing funds to move towards Pakistan indirectly. Now, let's uncover some key strategies to make this process smooth. Tip 1. Always move your Venmo balance first to your verified US bank account before initiating an international transfer. This reduces delays and avoids compliance holds. Tip 2. When sending to Pakistan, choose a provider that offers real-time exchange rate locking. This prevents fluctuations and ensures the recipient gets the expected amount. Tip 3. Always check whether your recipient in Pakistan prefers direct bank deposit, mobile wallet credit, or cash pickup. Matching the delivery channel increases acceptance and avoids failed transactions. Tip 4. Create a dedicated secondary US account for Venmo transfers meant for international use. Keeping domestic and international transactions separate makes reconciliation easier. Tip 5. Track all transfers through Swift reference or UETR when routed via partner banks. This gives you visibility, reduces anxiety, and helps if disputes arise. In addition, double-check compliance rules from both US and Pakistani regulators before sending. Venmo's simplicity makes it attractive, but for global transfers, you need an ecosystem of linked accounts, providers, and strong tracking practices. Following the right structure ensures your money reaches Pakistan safely and quickly. For details, check Wise.com, Payoneer.com, Remitly.com, and official regulators. Thank you.